Hi everyone, my name is AZLIYA binti NAZARUDDIN, and today I'm going to introduce you about what is filtration. So, filtration is the process in which solid particles in liquid or gaseous fluid are removed by the use of filter medium that permits the fluid to pass through but retain in solid particles. As you can see here, there's a lot of solid in fluid before the filtration, but after the filtration, the solids retain at the surface of the filter. Only fluid can pass through the filter. You can observe the clear solution from the filtration, which is filtrate.
Hi, my name is SYAZMIRA. I'm gonna talk about type of filtration. So actually there's two type of filtration, which is gravity filtration and vacuum filtration. Gravity filtration is a simple and widely used method that relies on the force of gravity to separate the solid and liquid mixture. It involves pouring the mixture into the funnel containing filter, paper, or other porous material. The liquid passes through the filter, leaving behind the solid particles, which are retained on the filter medium. The other one is vacuum filtration. Vacuum filtration is a more advanced technique that utilizes a negative pressure to accelerate the separation process. It involves connecting a filter flask to a vacuum pump, creating a pressure difference that draws the liquid through the filter medium. And for the addition, vacuum filtration is faster than gravity filtration because the solvent or solution and air is forced through the filter paper by the application of reduced pressure. Next, here is the key differences between gravity and vacuum filtration. First one is mechanism. Gravity filtration relies on the force of gravity to separate the mixture, while vacuum filtration utilizes negative pressure to accelerate the process. Second one is speed. Vacuum filtration is generally faster than gravity, especially when dealing with fine particles. The third one is efficiency. Vacuum filtration is more efficient in separating small particles compared to gravity. And the fourth one is temperature. Vacuum filtration is limited to the temperature to prevent evaporation, while gravity filtration can be performed at room temperature.
So here's the apparatus that we use in filtration. The first one is filter paper. Filter paper used to separate fine solid particles from liquid or gas. The next one is filter funnel, which to hold the funnel and filter over a container to receive the filtered liquid. Other than that is conical flask, is to collect the filtrate. Lastly, the retorte stand is used to hold the funnel.
Next, I'm going to show you the technique or step for filtration process. First, take the filter paper and fold it properly until you get a cone shape. There are various grades of filter paper based on different types of precipitates. As you can see, there is two different steps on how to fold the filter paper, but the left one, which is flower-like shape, is said to be more effective because the higher the folding degree of filter paper, the higher the surface area can be provided. Second, place the conical filter paper inside the funnel as shown in the picture. Next, place a beaker or conical flask under the funnel to collect the filtrate. Lastly, we have to pour the mud water slowly into the cone to prevent the loss of precipitate and watch it drip through the funnel. After all the process of filtration, we can observe that there is a clear water collect in the beaker or conical flask placed under the filter funnel. It is called filtrate, which is the liquid that passes through the funnel. Also, there should be a mud inside the filter paper called precipitate or residue, which is a substance that has been precipitated from a solution called mixture. Mixture is a combination of two or more substances, which is the one that we pour onto the funnel in first step. Next, we will show you the application of filtration in our daily life. First, we use filtration process to brew coffee. In order to make coffee, ground coffee were placed finely on top of filter paper. After that, hot water was poured over the ground coffee and filter paper, resulting clearer, less oily and less caffeine coffee. In fact, unfiltered coffee has certain substance that can increase blood cholesterol, which get removed when coffee had filtered. In this case, the grounds that trap in filter paper is called precipitate or residue, and the water that had been filtered is called filtrate.
And for the second application of filtration in daily life is filtration in water treatment. During filtration, the clear water passes through the filter that have different pore size and are made of different material such as sand, gravel, and charcoal. This filter removes dissolved particles and germs such as dust, chemical, parasite, bacteria, and viruses. Activated carbon filters are also remove any bad odors.
So, in this topic, we have discussed about what is filtration through theoretical, methodology, and example of the result. There are a lot of filtration applications in our daily life, such as to brew coffee and water treatment. As conclusion, filtration is one of the most important thing in our daily life, especially for our health.